You can also personalize your own treadmill. That means if you want to change the logo and insert your own logo from your company or from your customer's company, you can do so. To do it, click on the Settings, Extended Settings, Personalization, and here we have 3 possibilities where you can customize your treadmill. We have the logo in the front. We have the big screensaver that applies after a few seconds of not using the treadmill. And you can also change the workout logo. The logo requires a certain dimension. In terms of pixels and the file name, just put any logo that you want to upload on a USB stick. Insert the USB stick to the treadmill and click on Load File. Here is an example. The custom logo. Apply everything. Click on OK to confirm. And now it's done. Here you'll see the new logo.